Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome to this tutorial on Python 3.12.3. In this video we will be covering the basic and writing our first program together. I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. So let's get started. Now click on the Chrome browser. I'm using Chrome browser, you can use any browser. Search here in the search bar Python PYTHON and press enter. So this is the official website of the Python. First, python.org. Now go to the download option. Here new version of Python will be visible. Click on it. Now Python is downloading. Now Python has been downloaded. Click on it to install it. These are two boxes that we will check. First one is that the admin privileges when installing py.exe, and second one is that add python.exe to path. So check this box and click on the customization installation. So these are features that we are going to installing. First one is a pip is package manager for Python, and IDL is integrated development environment in which we will write code. So keep as it and click on the next. So first box is that install Python 3.12 for all users. Check this box and install. Now it is installing. Python has successfully installed. Now click on the close button. Now we will verify Python has been installed. Click on the start button and type here cmd. Click on it to open. Here we will check the Python has been installed or not. Python space hyphen version, press enter. Now Python has been installed 3.12.3. Here we will write just py and press enter, and we are in the Python. Now we will print the any statement. I will write here name, print Hananali name is printed. Now we will check the integrated development environment IDLE. Click on the start button and type here IDLE. Click on the IDLE Python 3.12.3. Click on it to open. Now this is the environment in which you will write the code. Here I am writing first program, print hello world and press enter. Hello world is printed now. Hello world is printed now. So this is the first demo. Save as. This is the location. I'm choosing location desktop. You can choose any location and type here name. I'm typing here name, first program hello world. Click on the save button. Now it has been saved in the location of desktop. Here you will see the first program hello world has been saved, right? Now you have successfully installed Python. This is the just beginning of your journey. I am creating series of videos on Python where we will dive deeper into the programming and explore exciting features and projects. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. Let's learn and grow together in the world of Python. So link is in the description. Join me to learn about Python.